Hey guys, we're Team Ubisoft Davis, and this is the video for the final project of ENG 6 Engineering Problem Solving. Our instructor is Professor Diego Yankelevich, and our TA is Mr. Claudio Lopez. My name is Wenjie Zhang, and I'm responsible for writing the code to set the basic rules in the dice game, including offering the score options, Farkle checking, implementing an OOP class, and delivery of data inside the program.
Hi guys, my name is Rouwen Ge, and I was in charge of all the artistic effects in the whole game, including animations, all the sound effects, and the design of all the 3 windows of the games.
Okay, my name is Sheng, and I was in charge of the interaction between the game and the players, including setting different status for the buttons, making sure the players play the game correctly, and the basic operations of the buttons.
And we will show you the details of our contribution to the game in the next part.
And here we come. I designed all the windows of this game. This is the opening window. If you push the button of rules, it will jump a rules window, and you can check what's the rules and how you get score. And you can close it. If you don't push your name in here and just click start button, it will mention you that you should enter your name. For example, I will push Tom. And in there, you didn't enter the player 2's name, and you click start. It also doesn't work. And you push such as Jerry here, and you push start, and here comes our this dice game window. And this window is also designed by me. Here is the player 1, player 2, and player 1's score, player 2's score. And this is about the person who take this round, and this round score. Every button have its sound. When you click start, you can notice that the radio button can't be clicked during the animation.
Okay, I'm Wenjie, and Rouwen just showed you how to roll the dice by clicking the start button. And I said I'm responsible for the scoring options. And as you can see, one single one here in the Farkle game represents 100 points. So I just click enter. So there's 100 points in the player's current score. And if I click bank here, these points will be added to player 1's total score. And a player is implemented by an OOP class player, which has an attribute name and another attribute score total, and they are displayed here Tom and here 0. And I'm also in charge of the Farkle checking. I'll do a Farkle intentionally. Whoa, that's a good luck. Yeah, here's a Farkle. And if a player Farkles his points, his current score will lose all. And after that, here it shows it's player Jerry's turn. This is okay, confirm in Chinese.
Okay, now it's my turn. My name is Jishin, and I'm in charge of the interaction between the player and the game. And as you see, I'm also in charge of the operations of some buttons, such as push start and the animation change, and I choose it, and when I push the enter, I will get 100 points, and the scored function is made by Wenjie, and what I did is just get and set, use these two functions to make sure that all the points are in the right position, and they do the right thing in the right time. And also, if you just bank it, and you could not just do something to the radio button, because at this time all the radio button is set it in to inactive. This is the status, and also to make sure that the game is in the right process, I also set factor called SE1. This factor is very important because at this time SE1 equals to 1. In this status, you could not push the enter, or it will just blow out a error dialog box to show you the error. At this time, you should press the start. And this time, you may think that what will it show when I click the start, and it will also be an error. And these operations are necessary because you should make sure that the game is in the right process, and this is also the process of debug. Let me show you something. At this time, noticeably, the bank is gray. It means that you could not click it because it's 0. You haven't chosen any of the dice. And if you just pick up the 2 ones and enter it, and at this time the bank is active, and you can bank your score into it. And that's all my part.
And additionally, if you choose an incorrect scoring option, like 2 2s, it's not a valid option. If you click enter button, it will tell you not a valid option. Now here in the demo, we set a winning total to 800. If a player reaches 800 points, he would win the game. And now you can see it's player Tom's turn, and here 555 and a single one, that's 600 points, and Tom already has 200 points. So if I click enter and bank, okay, now Tom wins.
And here we know that Tom wins. It comes to the winner's windows. In that windows, there are 2 buttons in this window. It's a play again. If you click there, you will return to the dice game windows, which you won't change your name. But if you want to change your name, you can click the back to the main button, and if you click there, it will return to the opening windows.
And here, if you click play again, you will go back to the dice game and without changing the player's name. So this is a demo. Me and Z will show you how to play this game.
Okay.
Like, I'm now player 1, Tom, and he is player 2, Jerry. It's my turn. It's player Tom's turn, so I click start. The dice is here. I choose 5 and bank my score.
Okay, it's my turn. Okay, 3 6 and 2 1s, and I'll get 800 scores. And if I bank it, I will win. So I win the game, and it will be alright. Thank you for the watching.